rained a lot yesterday, so let's see what we get. Yesterday and it was actually pretty flooded, so I don't know what it's going to be like today, but we'll see. Let's see how much washout we got here. Looks like we got a lot of washout, so that's not good. Not that flooded, it's still a little bit high, but you can see it was all the way up to here yesterday. It was all the way up to there, so it went down a little bit, but it's still a little bit high. A lot of washout everywhere. It's gonna be a lot of sticks down. Over here and take a look and see what we got. See, look, I can drive through there now. Look, that turned shallow, and there's so much more there. But also that caved in on me. So, and there's another crossing I could use. But that's all sinking. That's all silt. So. It didn't flood as much as it did over the summer. Over the summer, just completely wiped out everything. But as you can see, the leaves are falling now, and you can't really notice it. Look at that one. See if the fox is out here. Find a hole. I'm pretty sure the hole is over there. Let's go see. I believe that's their hole. See that or there? I don't know if that's a hole though. It's either their hole right over there near that tree. I'm not going over there because I don't want to mess with them. Might be it, or it might be over there. I'll probably see him again today. Workman. start building here soon. I mean, hope not, but even if they do, I'll ride here until the house is up and there's someone living in it. Back to here later. It might be over there. It might be. There's a good chance, but I'm not going to check because that's not my property, and I got yelled at before. Look at that. Just ate it all away. That's not good because that tree is going to fall next time we have a big flood like that. That's not good. You can see, chunks have already fallen off. That tree is like on the edge. Next big wind or a big flood thing we have, that tree's going to go. that tree, I don't know. And that tree is probably gonna go too. It's already leaning. Tree's gonna go too. And that tree's like hanging off. That tree totally about to go. I have no idea where this came from. That's new. And that tree is like that. I think that tree is about to fall too. I could just go through here all day picking trees that are gonna fall. Oh, it's gonna happen, no doubt. That's been there. That's rusty. Now before anyone comments on this saying this isn't deep, look. That's the length to the bottom. Right there. Right there. Before anyone comments and saying it's not deep, it really got stuck in here. He was underwater. Not even at the bottom yet. So yeah, lots changed down here since last year. It's just gonna keep on changing, so can't do anything about that. I'm getting up here. Here we go. Still gonna